In this video, we are going to read Excel file using Pandas. So let's see the input file. Over here you can see I have just these two values in this Excel file. Now what we need to do is import the Pandas, and then I've given the path of that Excel file, and then I'm using pd.readExcel, passing the path of this file. Over here I'm going to print the data type and the data over here. Nothing much, it's pretty simple. Let me run this code, and you can see the type is data frame, and we got those two data over here. The best part is once you have the data in data frame, you can do all sort of things like filters, or you can create a new data frame. So all these are possible with the data frame.